Did you know I monetized this channel in just 2 months? I got over 500,000 views in 6 months with only 11 videos. Now I make $2,000 to $3,000 a month, even with just 15,000 subscribers. How? The key is simple. When people love your editing style, they stay and watch your videos. Making these videos takes time. I spend hours on one video, and I also work with editors to get everything perfect. But this video is different. I made this one without any editing app, and it only took me 1 hour. Actually, I made all these animations in After Effects, but I didn't use After Effects to create this video. Sounds confusing, right? Let me explain. When we create a video, we save all the animations made in After Effects. We don't throw them away or delete the projects. Instead, when we need to make another video, we reuse those animations, updating colors, logos, and other details. But this time, we did something different. We shared all our projects and animations online, including all the animations you see in this video, so everyone can customize and use them in their own videos. I'm talking about a platform that can change lives. Think about this. What if creators like Isaac, with all their knowledge, didn't know how to edit? Or what if faceless channels didn't have high-quality editing? We wouldn't even know their names. That's how much editing can impact your brand. I get so many comments from people saying they want to edit like me. That's why I started making CapCut and AE tutorials to help. But with this system, you don't need to wait to start or improve your channel. And no, there's no AI involved. These are literally pre-made templates, created by editors and creators like us. So everything is carefully designed and clean. But how does it work? And what is this platform? Most of our audience are CapCut users. And as you may know, there's no camera movement or 3D perspective features in CapCut. I know everyone wishes CapCut would add these, but that's where this platform comes in. AutoAE offers dozens of templates, and all you have to do is upload your footage and download the template. As you can see, there are so many 3D screen movements you can use, or if you want a professional blueprint, you can simply use the famous Isaac blueprints. You can literally make a whole video with this platform, just like I did, and it will look professional. Or you can combine it with your own editing style and watch your video's retention blow up. And it doesn't end there. You can actually make money with AutoAE in 4 different ways, and I'm going to show you each one. But before I break it down, let's talk about the impact of good editing in the automation niche. Since faceless channels don't show their faces and often use AI voices, a strong editing style can really grab attention, and here's why. While people are focused on listening to you and the story you're telling, the editing underneath complements the audio. Every editor has their own way of storytelling through edits. It's like 2 stories happening at the same time, not separate, but working together to complete each other. So if you want to create a YouTube automation channel, you need to pay careful attention to this because your editing style will grab the audience's attention. While it's crucial to have a good sense of topic selection, putting everything together and providing true value to the audience, it's been proven to me and many others that great editing in our niche can change the entire YouTube game. AutoAE provides the tools to easily import the animations you need to enhance your videos, making them more engaging and keeping viewers watching longer. The longer people stay, the more YouTube recognizes your video as valuable, and it pushes it to a wider audience. This results in more views and ultimately more revenue from your YouTube channel. And that's the whole point of using AutoAE's pre-made templates, to help you create high-quality videos for YouTube with ease. Now, let's say you're an editor who makes videos for others. While creating animations can take a lot of time, you can easily use AutoAE animations and combine them with your videos. This saves you time, allows you to take on more projects, and ultimately brings you more income. Another way to make money with AutoAE is by leveraging your unique editing style and After Effects skills. You can create and share your own templates on AutoAE, earning up to 50% of the revenue from each sale. This is something I'm currently doing, and it's one of my passive income streams, helping me make more money every month. And lastly, if you have a YouTube channel or social media, you can join the affiliate program and earn 20% of the subscriptions that come from your affiliate link. When Alex first introduced me to AutoAE, I immediately fell in love with the platform because I remember when I didn't know how to edit and wished there was a way to create great videos. If you're an AutoAE user, I'd love for you to share your honest opinion in the comments section about working with AutoAE. Your feedback, without any censorship, will really help me create better templates, and it'll also help others learn about your experience with this platform.